The Yankees were the first team to put numbers on the back of jerseys, and they issued them in the order that they were in the lineup. And so Babe batted third, he was number 3. Lou batted fourth, he was number 4. Babe Ruth was a pitcher, and when he came off the mound, the inside of his shoe would wear out faster, and so he had a piece of leather sewn on the inside of each of his shoes. Started to rough in the clothes a little bit and work on massing the piece in where you get the feel of the full sculpture. Yesterday I did put in a 4 and a 3, working on this back side a little bit. Still really rough. This is so early in the game.